Tired of endless email chains and scattered files slowing down your team's progress? Today, we're diving into a crucial Trello skill: uploading files directly to your boards, keeping everything organized and accessible in one place. Let's get started. First, open the Trello card. Where you want to add a file, you'll see an area labeled Attachments. Click on that. Now, if the file is on your computer, select Attach from Computer. A window will pop up allowing you to browse your files. Navigate to the folder containing your file, select it, and click Open. Trello will begin uploading your file instantly. You'll see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Once complete, your file will be displayed as an attachment on the card. But what if your file is in Google Drive, Dropbox, or another cloud service? No problem. When you click on Attachments, you'll see options to connect to these services. Select the service where your file is stored. You may need to authorize Trello to access your account the first time. Once connected, browse your folders, select the file, and click Attach. And there you have it. Your cloud-based file is now linked to your Trello card, keeping everything neatly organized. By mastering file uploads, you'll streamline your project workflow, enhance team collaboration, and keep all project-related materials readily available.